What is up, guys? It is Haydenbradley. Welcome back, and I just made it to Dubai for Insta360 Legends Week with Visit Dubai and Insta360, where some of the top creators in the world come together for the ultimate adventure and put all their own unique skills to the test. So let's get into it. Woo!
Yo, where are you guys going?
Yo, we're going to the dunes. You want to go?
Yeah.
Hop in.
All right. Let's go.
All right, we got a little bit of light left today, so we're gonna hop on these big guys right here and go for a little cruise. Let's do it. Ooh, there you go. All right, we just made it to the top of this building. We are in the heart of downtown, overlooking the Burj Khalifa, and all the boys just made it up. It's 5 in the morning right now, and we're setting up a bunch of time lapses. So I got the Ace Pro 2 right down here, taking an interval time lapse, and the X4 right up here. And then obviously we have multiple other cameras all around. So we're gonna wait about an hour or so and see what it does. Let's go. Oh yeah, we're about to go send it on some wave runners, baby. Hoo hoo hoo! Bro, this is so sick. Let's do a hyperlapse. Just made it out here to Sunset Beach, right outside the Burj Al Arab. Here with the homie Justin, a professional e-foil racer for Flightboard, and we are about to go out and get some little car-by shots with the X4 on the long extension pole. So let's get to it. What an insane week. Huge thanks to Insta360 and Visit Dubai for this awesome experience at Insta360 Legends Week. So many sick creators came together for the ultimate adventure and created some insane content, and it's so cool to get to collab with all these amazing people. So huge thank you to Insta360 for making this happen. I can't think, too many thank yous. It's just so awesome. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned. Peace.
Oh yeah. Just taste it. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank